this is what's blowing through here. It's moving south, but it's kind of like we're sitting. It's like the precip. It's moving in such a direction where it's gonna be a little while before it actually fucks off. It just keeps back building. Anyways, and then this is the forecast. New forecast they have from 4 o'clock. Yeah, rain will mix with snow, wet snow before morning there, and then periods of rain mixed with wet snow, changing light snow late in the afternoon. Yeah, and then 2 centimeters of snow tomorrow night. Yeah. The winds have completely switched. I actually even forgot. I'll show you guys that too. Load in here. Sometimes I have a badge, sometimes I don't. Fucking seriously. So this is what's happened. You gotta love. This is what it looks like. So yeah, I was outside for the peak winds there. Look at that temperature. The winds kick up, temperatures fucking just shoots up, and then as soon as the precip hits, look at the fucking what happens again. Jesus Christ. But yeah, on that note, I will see you guys later on in the morning. Alright, forecast update for the day, morning, whatever. Periods of rain mixed with wet snow, changing light snow this afternoon. It's just been rain, but the snows have been gotten down definitely about to 500 some meters. That's for darn ass sure. And then I got periods of snow tonight, 2 centimeters, periods of light snow tomorrow, winds 30 gusts into 50. And then Wednesday night, 6% chance of flurries. Thursday night, a low of minus 13. Scroll down. Yeah, that's the coldest night we'll get, and I kind of just wiped. The high gets colder than Thursday, but otherwise, 6% chance of flurries Saturday through till Sunday, and warm right back up. Other than that, on the other hand, yeah, they're warm up, but they keep the temperatures at least a little bit on the colder side for a little bit longer. Especially this. Although not significant amounts of snow, plenty of chances of it. Yeah, 1 through 7 March 2nd. Yeah. As per usual, a lot of chances, but not actual snow. Proper snow. So, well, yeah. On that note, I'll see you guys later on today, if not tomorrow. See what ends up happening. Wow. All day. It's been fairly gusty, I guess. Cool clouds. Snowing down there. Could be snowing right now if there's precipitation over us. It's not been super breezy, but I'll check what it was. Check the peak later on from my station, but nonetheless, that's where the snow levels got to yesterday. Like I suspected, kind of like around 600 meters. or even a little bit lower than that, but there was some meltage. But yeah, on that note, I will see you guys later on today, if not tomorrow. Going to snow. It's been a little gusty all fucking day, and it doesn't even bother me anymore. It's not like it's blowing fucking like the hell. It's just a gust here and there. A decent little gust here and there. Here and there meaning like every 15 some minutes. 15 minutes. I saw one flake and I haven't seen any since. It is snowing down there though, that's for sure. And I'll be gradually moving south with time. Fuck me, is it cold? Holy shit. Yeah, it's all around us now. Which it's kind of just hanging in the mountains all day, now it's just surrounding. Point A to point fucking B, whatever direction you look. Oh god, those little patches of ice. Don't know if it's visible. Look at this. Yeah, it's like flake by flake. It's hardly even. There we go, there's another one. I don't know how it's visible. Fuck. Yeah. It's barely even coming down. Well, I shouldn't even be saying that. It's barely even flaking. This is how everyone's hair should be. A little bit of dandruff, but not a fucking lot. A healthy dose. I don't even know. But yeah, this is about the gusts we've been getting. Maybe a touch stronger. Well, not maybe. Definitely a touch stronger. God, this is cold. It's a shock to the system when it's gone from fucking minus. God, it's gone from 10 degree high to fucking, now it's gonna be into the fucking minuses. Yeah. On that note, I will leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys a little bit later on. Once it starts snowing a little more. Otherwise, it's just going to continually be some gusts here and there and all that. I'll also give you guys a radar and past conditions update later on. At the end, later on tonight. Yeah. Yeah, gusty, but overall, nothing out of the ordinary for an Arctic front. That's already passed through. Jesus Christ. So we got a very fine dusting of snow. I don't even know if it really accumulated. It was blowing around the whole entire fucking time. But I'm gonna bring these fucking things in. Well, actually, these things actually help me understand what the hell the wind is doing. What I missed and what I haven't. Snowed very tinily bit. Still is actually. I don't know if that's just blowing around though. So I'm checking the winds. They actually peaked this afternoon, right around like noon, 1 o'clock. So, nonetheless, couldn't really complain if I could. I would have been at work. Just to prove it snowed. Even more, actually. I don't know how it shows up. Someone 10 o'clock, still people fucking walking on the street. Oh my god. It's still snowing, but higher up because it's dry. It's not dry, there's something I'll take care of. Focus your toad. Seriously, took you that long. This is the thing about what annoys me. As soon as I get out here, it kind of like just simmers down. But then as soon as I want to fucking see shit, but as soon as I want to get inside, get shit done, it all fucking starts blowing. Fucking annoying. Yeah, it's still snowing. But then again, like I just said, it could be coming off the roof, but I fucking doubt it. So, solid there. Intact. Solid. Nice. Let me fucking in. It is cold. It may be only -4, but this wind chill is fucked. Oh, here we go. It still is snowing. Yeah, this is definitely still snowing. It's just... Yeah, see, these are sort of winds I'm talking about. Just some sort of like funnel effect that kind of just enhances them. I bet you if I was on my... I bet you it was on the deck, it'd be even stronger. Just because of the angle the wind's coming in at. Trying to keep awake. Oh, fuck. 3 hours of sleep does not work, and then looking forward to something at the end of the week and trying to get the forecasting and working. It just burns me the fuck out. It's just a pain in the ass. I just want Thursday to come and over with for reasons. Focus is so... We'll go another minute and a half and then I'll start walking in. Well, walking in. Head in. See which way we going. Might be a good one coming in here. Yeah. Maybe so, maybe not. You can really hear it in the trees. It's just not coming down to the surface here. But then as soon as it does, I'll be fucking inside. Yeah, I'll see you guys later on. I'll maybe back out later. If not, it'll be a radar for. It'll just be a past conditions update to close it off for the night. Alright, forecast update. Well, not forecast update. Past conditions update. Like I said, peak winds were kind of like in around 12, 1 o'clock. Pressure's been on a significant rise throughout the day. And then there was the time while I was awake there, saw that. Temperatures were on the rise and they dropped as soon as the winds kicked in. We were pretty much valley bottom. Snow levels by like 3 o'clock. If it were to have snowed. Oh, fuck off. And then there's the winds here. It's been fairly windy since pretty much fucking 11 o'clock. Like 11:30ish. But it really peaked at around 1 there, 33k gust. And it's kind of just been steady ever since. Temperature's been on a steady drop. Winds have been steady. Yeah. Pressure's been on a steady rise. Classic Arctic front. On that note, I will see you guys later on tonight, potentially, if not in the morning. Oh, nice. Wow, it's proper snowing. For how long, I have no fucking clue. Oh, look at this. So it's certified to see if it's even blowing around or not. Arctic breeze. Very dry, light snow falling. Cold, but not super cold. This is just prime fucking February weather. This is peak winter. February winter right here. I can't even really get any sort of, like, how would you put it, measurements from this. This is impossible. It's definitely accumulated enough to probably say 0.2, but it's blowing around so much it's impossible to measure. Or should I put it this way, it's too light and blowing around too much to actually even properly measure. Definitely lightly snowing for how fucking long this was. Why it looks like the way it does. Cool. I don't want to have to get the bed here. This is. Look at this. How well it shows up in the camera, sorry. It's hard to tell, but it's really cool. It'll show better in the morning. So try to get up on time for it. I'm not even stepping on snow right now. It's just, it's not even accumulating. It's like it's blowing around way too much to get any sort of measurement out of it. I might show you guys right before I head off to bed here. But based off the buckets not moving, the winds haven't been that strong since I put them back up. I'm going to set the timer. I was going to initially wake up at 7:30, but I think if I get up the time it is now, if I get up earlier, it'll be easy. Well, not easier, but it'll be easier for me to wake up. Nonetheless, I can't be missing this. It's supposed to go on for a little while, so yeah. Oh jeez, see, it's really it's a light snow. Like before, it was like a few freaking flakes, but it's like a proper light flurry. It's definitely a flurry falling. Your mixes could be literally just snow falling off the roofs now. This definitely a lot more likely than it was before. Yeah, very light snow. well, I'll leave you guys with that. And I will see you guys potentially in a little bit here to shoot a radar. Otherwise, in a few hours. Okay, the morning. Early morning. Jeez. Now that's proper snow fucking just flying off. This is what's been happening. You can't even see it unless I put it on precipitation depiction. Super Earth reflectivity, you can't even see it. And that's actually because this is all negative returns. So, I'm not exactly sure. I've never understood what that exactly means, actually, but nonetheless. That's what's happening. I'll see you guys in a few hours. Good morning. Look at this. Still gusty. It literally has not changed over the course of the last how many hours. It's just been persistent. So I should really say it's nothing fucking new. Oh, that's snow. Remember that? All dried up. Whew. Oh, it didn't melt. It all dehydrated. Lost all the moisture, the limited moisture it had. It's still -6. The temperature has not changed. It's been actually consistent. Oh my lord. Again, remember, this has been going on consistently. Hasn't really changed. Strength, the persistency, nothing's changed. Go to 2.5 mark and I'm gonna start. I gotta head to work. I haven't been concerned because, well, it's just been fucking consistent. Oh my god. It is just fuck. Oh my god. Fucking cold. Jesus Christ. Sort of sucks. I slept in and all that, but it's like, ugh. What can you do? Okay, I gotta head to work. My god. Forecast update. I'll give you guys past conditions at the end of today. 60% chance of light snow, winds northwest 40, gusting 60, diminishing 20, gusting 40 this afternoon. And then tonight, a 6% chance of flurries this evening. Winds becoming light in the evening, low -10. Thursday, gets a little more gusty, northwest 30, gust near noon. And then low of -14 Thursday night. I'm here for a little while. Scroll down. And Friday night, a low of -11. Then we got periods of snow Saturday, changing to snow Saturday night into Sunday. Yeah, and then a 30% chance of flurries all day Monday night into Tuesday. Yeah. Sucks I'm at work when the winds are really going at home, but what can you do? I'll see the radar, how that looks, and I'll end it off there. All day, this is how it's been. It's snowing in the fucking mountains. Yeah, it's fucking shows jack shit. This is how fucking crappy it is. Alright. On that note, I will see you guys later on. For a minute here. Very light but persistent snow. Just stopped recording for whatever reason. And it stopped snowing for whatever reason. Local snowfall events. Localized Arctic snowfall events. God love. Still going. Only difference, it's darker. Try to go to the minute mark here. You can probably gust your at home, but snow's just been so dry. It hasn't even like properly accumulated, so it's like impossible to measure. And I expect that to be the case when I get home. It's so fucked. It's drying up. Skies are clearing. Light snow most of the day. I wonder what it's like at home. Should honestly check Drive BC, see how it looks, because it's close enough to home. Huh. It's just such a dry ass snow. I'm just gonna probably just put down roughly 1/4 of a centimeter and settle with it, even if it wasn't actually that much. Just put down roughly and then have a light snow. Yeah. I don't know, man. This is fucking like this all day around the ridges. It just so happened to move into the valley for the late morning, afternoon. On that note, though, I will see you guys later on. Yeah. Right. We are back home here. We can see. Oh no. Well, now you guys can see. A little bit of snow, but there was a lot more like significant amounts back at further south. Actually, when I looked south, I was like, fuck. It was like there was proper accumulation on the grass and everything. Could have been because it's more sheltered from the wind. I doubt it. So, this wind's fairly widespread, but nonetheless, yeah. See, like this was properly like covered to the south. I'm almost inclined to say roughly like fucking a quarter centimeter because it's blowing around. It's just a non-stop breeze, and it's just ridiculous. This is definitely one of the more potent Arctic fronts, wind-wise and shit. Yeah. On that note, I will maybe see you guys later on outside. If not, it'll be just the radar, or just a past conditions update. There we go. Alright, see you guys later on at some point nonetheless. Before I go to bed. Little brief thing here before I give you guys the update, past conditions update. Still a little gusty. Overall, things are cleared out. Yeah. Great times though. Yeah, I'll give you guys the forecast update, and that'll be it till tomorrow. Well, no, it is today already. Later on in the morning. There we go. Yeah. Alright, this was the story today. Asshole. So the sun came out, and then it just kind of clouded back over, and we just got snow hanging in the mountains. And then this. Yeah. And it really came down there. Whoa, and then you can see that, like, look at that. We missed that. And that was not like I was going to be able to see it. I would have been at work. I was not at work when it happened, so. And then it just stopped. So there was that. And then past here. Oh, I did not set it up. Alright. Well, we can just go one by one here. So this has been since 7 a.m. Yep. And then past conditions here. Right at home. Previous day. Pressure wasn't anything interesting, so we'll just focus on this. Yep, winds were fairly consistent all day. They peaked at around 9 a.m., got up to 30K, otherwise, yeah. It was fairly gusty all day. The warmest point was actually the night. Slowly dropping, not rapidly, but not slowly. But not very slow either. Yeah, steady. But on that note, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Or in the morning. Good morning. Oh, Jesus Christ. It is the exact same as it's been. Cold and windy. Gusty, I should say. Still snowing in the mountains. And as you can see how much it's accumulated up in the mountains now. It's all cleared out and it's not dark. See, the dry ass snow. We got nothing out of it, but of course. But of course, as usual. Yeah, it's just been persistently gusty. I mean, I missed the peak bit of it, which was when it started, but take what you can take. Hey guys. Fucking sun. Even though it's barely even out. So persistent. That's the thing about this wind, it's just so persistent. Most of our Arctic events usually end up with the winds dying on the second someday. This is the third day and it's still going. That's what happens when the Arctic high is not even actually originating in fucking BC. It's all the way up in the fucking Yukons. I'm sitting under a tight pressure gradient for how many days, when usually the Arctic high kind of swings down and kills off the winds. Mightiest breeze. Holy shit. It's not even, well, we're still losing snow, and that's because it's not even fucking melting, it's just drying. The air's just been so fucking dry. Moistened a little bit, but hardly. Part of me wants to drive up there and see what the snow's all about, but nah. Is it really worth it just to see a little bit, probably like a couple centimeters of snow at most? It's right up there, because I know where it is. Oh my god, it's fucking cold. I'm actually curious. Let's head over this way. Ouch, my fucking hand. Oh, my heel, what the hell? It's just wondering, maybe there's some sort of snow left over in here, but nope. It's all dried up. Oh, it's snowing. It is snowing right now. What the fuck? It is currently snowing. Winds have kicked up and it's starting to snow now. From where? Like, this is fucked, man. I was wondering, I saw that before when I was heading over here. Like I bend my head down, it's like a fucking big piece of dandruff come off a piece of my head. Off my head? No, it's snowing. Look at both my fucking anemometers go there. Jesus. it's snowing. I should probably just continue it into today, my roughly 1/4 of a centimeter. Oof. See, those are some of the stronger gusts I've been missing. But from where it's snowing, I have no fucking clue. It's probably this little sliver right here. It's the only one that makes any logical sense. It's very lightly snowing. There's one of the stronger gusts. That was pretty weak. Holy shit. Maybe only -6, but fuck me. There's a part of me thankful as to why I was at work during all this. Holy shit. We'll go another 3 minutes, 2.5, 3 minutes, and we'll go in. It's just unbearably cold to stay out here any longer. I could put on some gloves, but nah. Why do that when you can just warm up inside? Stay warm inside. Flakes falling, blowing. That's about what I've been missing, I guess. Maybe a touch stronger. Well, definitely strong on the first day, but only a touch maybe on the second. But it's usually a howl I hear through those trees. The leaves are all gone, but instead I'm hearing the leaves rustling from here instead. Not often I hear that instead during this time of the year. Holy shit, it's cold. Winter is giving itself one last hurrah. Got down to -10, -11 last night, as I was expecting. Literally. Prove it on my forecast if it needed. Oh my god. Yeah, we're only going 2.5 here. Holy fuck. I don't care how fucking nice. I don't care how windy it is. I don't care. Oh my god. They say it's a myth that cold makes you sick, but it's like, I don't give a fuck. I'm not taking any chances. Go to 245. How was that since? Yeah. Oh my god. Yes. Oh. Alright, on that note, I will see you guys later on to end the video. In a little bit, end the video off. I should say though, if that chair has not fallen because the wind has not been that strong. I just realized that. Alright, forecast update. I'm actually going to head back out to end the video off. Just had a strongest gust of the day. Looked outside, it's probably one of those breezes that, you know, fucking had that funnel effect between our next door neighbor's house and ours. Probably won't happen. Either way, I'll end it off outside. So I gotta grab something anyways. Nonetheless, 30% chance of flares in the afternoon. That's passed. Low of -15 tonight. That's fucking lovely. And then tomorrow kind of warms a little bit overall. And then Saturday we got periods of snow changing to snow Saturday night. Scroll down, we got periods of snow for Sunday, and then a 30% chance of showers Monday. 40% chance of showers of flurries Monday night. 40% chance of flurries of rain showers Tuesday. And then a 30% chance of flurries Tuesday night. And you can see that warm up that happens. Yeah. We'll do past conditions in the next video. Yeah. Later on tonight in the next video. And then the Weather Network, just full fucking snow. But these are all 40s and 60s. So this is subject to a significant amount of change. 1 to 3 centimeters for the 25th. Bunch of traces. Close to centimeters here and there. Fucking Jesus. Oh, God. Scroll down. Continues. Bunch of traces. And then 1 to 3 centimeters for the 7th, March 7th. 2 to 4 for March 8th. And then close to 1 there. Ones are really kicking up. All the cedars aren't even moving, so. Anyways, on that note, I'll see you guys outside to end the video off. Well, back out. Still, like, isolated, scattered snow hanging around. Isolated, scattered, dry ass snow hanging around. But nonetheless, like other Arctic events where that would have blown down the fucking deck and this shit would have been probably all on the ground. So whatever that strongest gust that passed through definitely wasn't that strong. Jesus Christ. And this is a cool view. Yeah. But yeah, I'm going to head in. So, on that note, Jesus, the stairs are frozen. I will see you guys in the next video. The wind continued to blow as I edit this video. Peace.